So Solana is sitting at $42 right now, and of course it did hit our target of $43. Actually, it smashed through it and it went all the way up towards $47 almost. If you could see it, 46.9, that is where it pumped. And as I had told you that once $43 break, then you will see Solana moving towards 54. 47 was a pretty big rally, and over here I think now what will happen is that Solana would like to accumulate first, get some more power before it starts rallying. As I've been saying this over and over again, I think it's been like a week or 2 or 3 weeks, because I think Solana started proving its power when it was close to $20, and I've been saying that it is extremely strong. That's why you cannot put any form of resistance in case of Solana. You can expect it to react to something, but you don't expect it to be held below any resistance. But of course it has its support, and right now I wouldn't consider any support at this point of time, because Solana wants to rally, and of course it will correct down. So its correction can be up to the level of $37, but you don't expect it to drop dramatically any further. $37 should be a good spot for it to correct to before it could rally further. And the target is of course $54 now. It's sitting at 42. It already smashed $43, so that is totally gone. Now it will try to achieve it in pieces. What will happen is that it will first try to go back towards $46 first, and then try to break above it, something that it couldn't break before, and after that it will start its journey towards 54. So considering this overall case scenario and how the November has started, I think this would be the last journey that Solana will have. This would be the overall bullish case scenario that we have for the market. Like for Bitcoin, I'm expecting it to be around $40,000. For Solana, now finally we have a figure. I'm thinking that 54 is the last max that we will see on Solana before it starts tumbling down. Of course, it will be the end of November. We will reevaluate, but that is what I expect. Same is the case scenario with XRP. I have to reevaluate and see. The max case scenario I had was 63 cents. So it is very close to it. The max I had for Cardano was 33 cents, and it is struggling over there as well. So I'm going to see in the case of Solana as well, but I think 54 is going to be the max. So this whole November, the journey of Solana will be towards $54. So it will be pumping up and dumping down in this whole journey, and whether it will hit 54 or not is going to be something that we would need to watch. But that is the max. If you are looking for a max case scenario, that is the max that you can keep in your mind for Solana. We didn't have that, but now we have, because now Solana has a very clear-cut picture. So that is your max, and of course it's holding all its supports Solana has, and it's respecting it, and it's super bullish. So even when you see corrections, the corrections are not that big. Solana corrections are pretty small compared to what other cryptos are doing. So you can expect it to continue, and it might take a breather somewhere down the line. What it would do is that it will start moving sideways. It would start accumulating, and that would last maybe 3-4 days, because it need to breathe. Solana is moving without breathers. So that will happen definitely. So keep that in your mind.